Hiya, welcome to part 9. This is where we add the plumbing for a washing machine. We add a worktop for more workspace to the conservatory build. So to get started, I'm going to measure out exactly where the washing machine's going to go, so I know where to cut the hole for the waste pipe, which is where my finger is. And the waste pipe will mount through and on the wall like this. Right, we'll start off using a 50mm or 2-inch hole saw to cut through the plasterboard. We use this to get a nice clean cut look and no mess. This will leave us a 5mm hole around the pipe when it goes through the wall. Now I'm going to go through the hole right through the middle with this long bit to show me where to cut on the outside. Knowing that the concrete wasn't that thick on the outside, I used the same hole cutter again and then just tapped the circle out. Now it's just a matter of fitting the pipe through the wall and connecting it to the bit I've just made that goes down to the drain. Now, as this is a plasterboard wall, I'm marking where the brackets go with a pencil. And now I'm going to drill the holes. Very gently drill the holes. And I will insert 4 raw plugs into these holes. This is my preferred choice of fixing. You can use what you want, but these are more than sufficient to hold this pipe. Don't forget the seal around the pipe on both sides. Then, when it's dry, reassemble your pipework. Now, a simple job of cutting your copper pipe. I use these slip cuts. They just slip straight on, you spin them round and they cut nice and easy. And now for fitting the compression fitting for the washing machine to the copper pipe. Put the nut on, put the olive on and do it up. Get yourself a couple of adjustable spanners. Hold the fitting, put the other one on the nut. Now do it up tight. You actually want to squash the olive a tiny bit. Then you undo it. Test that the olive won't move, because that is the point. Yeah, give it a good test. Yes, that won't move. Now apply some PTFE tape. And do everything back up for a final time. Doing it this way, you should always get a perfect watertight fitting. Now I've put some tape around the end of this so that no rubbish can go up the pipe as I push it through the wall. This hole was already there from the outside garden tap. I'm making sure it's nice and level, fix the bracket to the wall, and there you can see it's come through the inside. It's meant to be longer because I have to cut it off level. Okay, that's all the plumbing in. That's water in and wastewater out sorted for the washing machine. I still have to tidy up a little bit on the inside of the bathroom where the original hole was for the garden tap. Right, onto the worktop then. Tape it up, lots of tape, and there you can see my pencil line at exactly 298 centimetres. That's it cut. Perfect. Put it in place. Find the upright posts are in the way. Damn! No, I knew this. Just got to nibble a couple out. There we are. Nibbled out, slotted in. This is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. Much better. Loads more space. Machines underneath out the way. Dishwasher fitted in the kitchen. Wife's happy. I'm happy. On to the next job. Don't forget, use the link. Check out my other channel. Hand tool restoration. Okay, this is it. Bye for now.